Today I am going to discuss about 5th standard science subject in lesson 3 air. Air is present everywhere around us. Though we cannot see, it can feel. Air is a mixture of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. These gases act as an envelope around the earth and form the atmosphere. It is the presence of atmosphere that makes the earth a suitable place for living. The recent year, more number of industries has been established and released excess of harmful gases like carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Because of this, air is polluted. Today we will learn about a topic, atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gases which is called the atmosphere. It can composed mainly of nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, carbon dioxide 1%. The atmosphere is like a blanket that surrounds the earth. It protects the earth from getting too hot and too cold. Atmosphere is divided into 5 different layers. The layers from the bottom upwards are called troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Let us brief about the different layers. Atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gases which is called the atmosphere. It is composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen. These are the two most common gases found in the atmosphere. They can be found throughout all the layers. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21% and other gases 1%. In addition to gases, Earth's atmosphere contains small solid particles such as dust, salt and pollen. The atmosphere also contains small liquid droplets that can contain pollutants in the clouds. Earth's atmosphere is divided into several different atmospheric layers extending from Earth's surface outward. There are the different types of layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. The first one, troposphere. The troposphere is where all the weather occurs. It is the coldest layer to Earth's surface. It is a layer we live in. Higher altitude is equal to colder temperatures. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. From the sea level, it extends up to about 10 km. From the sea level, it extends up to about 10 km. It is the densest layer and almost 75% of the air in the atmosphere is found in this layer. This layer also has water vapor. The troposphere is where all the weather occurs. It is the coldest layer to Earth's surface. It is a layer we live in. The distance in this layer 0 to 10 kilometer. The troposphere is the layer in which we live. This is where weather occurs. The prefix tropo means turning or change. The troposphere is the layer in which the gases turn over or mix. The troposphere makes up about 90% of the atmosphere's total mass. The temperature is the troposphere decreases with altitude. Troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. It lies closest to the Earth's surface and extends to 9 kilometers high over the poles and 18 above the equator. It contains almost all the gases, water vapor and dust particles. The survival of humankind and other organisms depends on this layer. The upper boundary of the troposphere is called tropopause. Here the temperature decreases of the rate of 1 degree Celsius per 165 meters. This is known as Laplace rate. Once again, the troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere that lies next to the Earth's surface. In this layer also has water vapor. We live in the troposphere and most of the weather, clouds, rain, snow is found in this layer. All weather changes also occurs in this layer. This is the first layer of the atmosphere. Okay students, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.